Now we have discussed is simple interest. Okay. In simple interest, the principal remains same for each year. The principal remains same for each year. For example, we take one example. If principal is rupees 100, okay, rate is 10% per annum. Okay, and time take it as 3 years. Okay, so you have how you have calculated the interest. You have calculated the interest for 1 year once. Okay, so see here for first year, what is the principal? Rupees 100. Okay, rate 10%. So what is the interest? 10% of rupees 100. That is the interest. Rate means 10 rupees is charged as interest on 100. 10 upon 100. It means rupees 10 is charged as interest on every 100 rupees. Okay. We take it as 1000. That will be more easier. Okay. It means rupees 10 is charged on every 100 as interest. Okay. So on 1000, how much will be the interest? 10 rupees charge interest for every 100. For 1000, it will be rupees 100. Yes. So how you calculate the interest? PRT upon 100, you have used the formula. Okay. So principal is 1000 rupees. Rate is 10%. Year is 1. Okay. Mainly forget T for timing because they are calculating for each year only. So PR upon 100. Or you can say rate R percentage of P. R percentage of P. Is there same thing? R percentage of P we are calculating. It is coming out to be rupees. How much it will come? Rupees 100. Okay. This is the interest for the first year. Now CS for second year. What will be the interest? We have to again calculate the interest for the second. Since we are calculating simple interest, this principal, it will remain same for the second year. Principal will be how much? Rupees 1000. Rate again 10% per annum, and interest equal to how much? It will be the same. Same interest will be there for the second year as well. Similarly, for the third year, what will be the interest? For third year, what will be the interest? Principal will be same, so interest will be same, rupees 100. Okay, so for each year, how much is the interest? For each year, the interest remains same, 100. Second year 100, third year 100. Total, how much is the interest? 300 is the interest. If you are calculating simple interest for 3 years, it comes out to be 300. Or we have used the formula direct. That is P equal to I equal to SI. Okay, P R T upon 100. That is, this thing we have multiplied with T 3 times. If you multiply it with 3 times, that is T only. We multiply 3 times. For 3 years, it means 3 years. 3 times the same interest is charged. 3 years, same interest is charged. So rupees 100 into 3, that is rupees 300. That is simple interest. Is this clear? Have you understood? It means for every year, interest is charged on principal only. In simple interest, the interest is charged on principal only. Okay, we are not charging interest on interest. We haven't charged any interest on interest. We haven't charged any interest on interest. We haven't charged any interest on interest. We are charging interest on principal only. So for every year, the principal remains same. Therefore, if principal is same, it means interest will be same as well for each year since rate is same. So interest for each year is same. Okay, if it is for 5 years, how much interest it will be? 5 into 100, 500 rupees. If it is of 7 years, how much will be interest? 700. Amount will be 1700. This thing is clear with respect to simple interest. In simple interest, the interest is charged on principal for each year. We are not charging interest on interest. Okay, but compound interest, what happens? We are going to charge interest on interest as well. Okay, it means principal for each year or the next year it is going to change. Okay, so how it is going to change? Let's see. This all was the story of simple interest. Now compound interest. Okay, the same thing we are going to take. Principal is rupees 1,000, rate 10% per annum, and time 3 years. Okay. Now we have to calculate compound interest. How to calculate compound interest? So for the first year, this is for first year. For first year. Okay. For first year, what will be the principal? Rupees 1,000. Okay. Rate 10%. Time is 1 year. Because for 1 year only we are calculating. T equal to 1 year. Okay. Calculate the interest. How much interest it will be? PRT upon 100. You can also use T. T you will put here 1. Similarly, T equal to 1 year. Okay, how much it will be for the first year? Calculate, everyone. Calculate and tell me as well. Okay, so for the first year, this is the principal and interest is this one. This is clear? So for the first year, principal is rupees 1,000, time is 1 year, rate 10%. Interest comes out to be. Okay. Now see here for the second year, what is going to happen? If you are calculating simple interest, principal remains same. We are not charging interest on interest, but here we'll be charging interest on interest. For the second year, okay, after first year, what will be the amount? 1,000 rupees plus 100, 1100. This is the amount after 1 year. This is the amount after 1 year. Okay. So this amount after 1 year, that will be the principal for the second year. For second year. For second year, principal equal to how much? Rupees 1,100. Okay. Now see here, 1,000 rupees was the principal, 100 rupees was the interest. This time we are going to calculate interest on 1,100. It means we are calculating interest on 1,000 rupees as well. We are calculating interest on 100 rupees as well. So on principal, we are charging the interest as well. We are charging interest on interest as well. Interest on interest as well we are going to charge. So principal for the second year will be 1,000. What is the amount after 1 year? This will be the principal for the second year. Okay. Now this time interest will be how? Rate is same, time is same. So I'm not writing here. Okay, I'm just applying formula direct. PRT upon 100. For second year, that is time duration is 1, rate 10%. 1100 into 10 into 1 divided by 100. How much it is? How much it is coming? Rupees?
Sir, it is 2.
Huh?
Sir, it is 2.
110. Okay.
110.
Now see, we are going to do the operation of this 110. See here how? Okay. For the second year, what is the principal?
1100.
1100. So what is it is? It is 1,000 rupees plus 100 rupees. Yes or no? It is 1,000 rupees plus
Yes, sir.
100 rupees. 1,000 rupees is the principal for the first year. 100 rupees is the interest for the first year. That is, so for the first year, for second year, principal same. So now see here, on 1,000 rupees, what will be the interest? 100 rupees. What will be the interest on 1,000 rupees? 100. Okay. And what is the interest on 100 rupees? 10.
10.
So total is 110. Now you have got interest for the second year. We have charged interest on principal, that is 1,000 rupees, plus we have charged interest on the interest of the first year as well, rupees 10. Total is 110. This you understood? Why it is more than it? So 10 rupees is coming from interest on interest of the first year. Understood this one? This is clear? So we are charging interest on interest as well. So 1100 rupees, your charge interest comes out to be 110. In 110, 100 rupees is the interest on 1000 rupees, and this 10 rupees is interest on the interest. Okay. Now for the next year. So this time, what will be the amount? Principal plus interest. How much it will be? Rupees. How much it is? Add them. 1. How much?
1,200.
10.
1,200.
10. Okay. So this time amount is this much. Okay. And this amount after second year, after 2 years will be principal for the third year. Okay. Black pen. Now for third year.
In this,
What?
we have to find the interest on the amount of last year.
Yes. See here, amount of first year will be principal for the second year. Yes. Amount for second year will be principal for the third year. Why you are finding? Because you have to find interest on interest as well. Yes. You can see here, just look at the second year, what is there? Principal becomes for the second year, what it becomes? 1000 rupees plus 100 rupees. 100 rupees interest from the first year. So it means we are charging interest on interest as well. In compound interest, we are charging interest on interest as well. You can see 110, this 10 rupees extra, it came from interest on interest. This 10 rupees extra, it came from interest on interest. Understood? So for every year, the principal keeps on changing. The amount of the earlier year will be principal for the current year, that is next year. Amount of this year, first year, will be principal for the second year. This time, what will be the principal?
1210.
1210 rupees. Okay, I'm not putting
1210.
rupees now. Okay. Rupees. Okay. This will be our principal for the third year. Okay. Now calculate interest. PRT upon 100, that is 1210 into 10. Time is 1 year only, divided by 100. How much interest it will be? 100 and how much?
21.
121. 121. Okay. So this time interest is, so see here, each year interest is increasing. Okay. And what will be the amount now? 1210 plus 121.
Plus
How much it
121.
is? 1331.
31.
1331 rupees. Okay. Rupees. Okay. This is the amount. Okay. Now see here. What was the principal? Okay. How much is the total
The
compound
amount
interest?
of second year was the principal of the third year.
Yes. Okay. What was the initial principal?
1,000 rupees.
Okay. If I ask you, how much is the interest only? Compound interest is how much?
330.
331. What you did? 1331 minus 1000 rupees. So 331 is the interest. Is the compound interest. Is the compound interest. This you can also calculate 100. So interest for each year you can add 100 plus 110. 210
Plus 121.
121. You get 331. Okay. Compound interest, total interest. Okay. So see here, each year, this interest in this. Okay. 1 minute. Okay. On 1000 rupees, we have 100 rupees. But there is interest on this as well. And we got that as well. 21. Okay. 1 minute. Okay. 11 rupees was the interest on this one. So see here interest was how much on this rupees? 10 rupees, we added 110. Now what is the interest on this? 11 rupees. Add this 121. So we are calculating interest on interest as well each year. Here. That's why we are getting 121 interest. Okay, clear? So this time when you calculate the compound interest, what you have to do? Principal, return. Calculate the interest, add them. Amount you got for the first year, amount for the first year will be principal for the second year. Okay, calculate the interest, add them. Amount for the second year will be principal for the third year. Okay, calculate amount. This amount will be principal for the fourth year. So if I ask you calculate for 50 years, keep calculating. Yes, can you calculate? Can you calculate for 50 years?
No, sir.
Yes. Yes, you can calculate. Okay. So later we will derive one formula as well. Okay. This exercise we are going to do without formula so that the basic get clear what we are doing. And next exercise we will deduce a formula. Okay. A simple formula we put, we'll get the answer in one step. Okay.
Sir, if the time is 1 year.
If time is 1 year, okay. If time is 1 year and rate is per annum, then simple interest will be equal to
Compound
simple interest, compound interest, no difference. Both will be same. If rate is also calculated per annum, that is yearly wise, then no difference. But half yearly, there will be difference. Yes. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So fifth B we start. Okay. Everyone do the first question, read it and try to do. I'll start after a minute. Calculate the compound interest of ₹1200 for 2 years. So for 1 year, for first year, for second year, you have to do that way. Start doing. Is this clear? Okay, I'm rubbing that part only. Okay, this part only I'm rubbing. Okay, do the first question. Okay, so first question is calculate the compound interest on ₹1200. So for first year, principal is how much? ₹1200. Okay, for 2 years you have to calculate. Rate is 5%. So time I'm writing here 2 years. We have to have. Rate is 5% per annum. Okay. Find the amount. Amount you have to calculate. Okay. So for the first year interest, don't write SI. P into R into T. T is 1 year. If you put, it's fine. If you do not put, it's fine. Okay. Because time is 1 year. Okay. Million book they have put. So we as well put it here. Okay. So calculate it and tell me as well as you get the answer. 00125, how much you've got?
Sir, 60.
₹60. Okay. So for the first year interest is this one. So amount will be how much?
1,200 plus 60.
So this is the amount. Okay. Now for second year you calculate. Second year principal will be what?
1,260.
Amount for the first year will be principal for the second year. ₹1260. Rate is same, 5% per annum. See here for the second year only. So time is 1 year. I equal to PRT upon 100. 1,260 into 5 into 1 divided by 100. Calculate and tell me.
Sir, 63.
Sir,
63.
63.
It is ₹63. Okay. So amount after second year will be what? 1260 plus
Plus
63.
63.
How much it is? 1300.
23.
1320.
23. Okay, this much rupees. So amount after 2 years will be how much? Find the amount. The amount is
1320.
1323. This is the amount. Okay. Okay. Try second one now, everyone. Try second one. Everyone has completed first question. Okay, try second one.
And sir, the compound is 123 rupees compound interest.
Compound interest is 123. In this the question they haven't asked, but you want you can tell also. Compound interest is 123. Okay. In third question they will ask. Okay. Second question, calculate the compound interest. You have to
Sir, in
calculate the
first
compound interest as
also
well.
it asked.
Yes. So compound
Sir,
interest
it
equal
is-
to how much? 1323 minus 1200. That is 123 rupees. Or you can also calculate it like this: 60 plus 63. Interest for the first year, interest for the second year. If you add, that will also give you rupees 120. Okay. You have to calculate. Okay. Do the second one. Okay. Third one will be homework. Third one will be homework. Do the second one. Everyone do the second one. You all must attend the classes always, okay? So today onwards, I'm going to take your attendance for how much time you are attending. I'll check it in evening. Okay, so do attend the complete class. If any issue arises, text me on WhatsApp. After 1 p.m., you can text me. That is the reason why you weren't able to attend or why. Okay. Do the second one. Second one, calculate the amount in compound interest when invested. When 2000 is lent for 2 years at the rate of 10% per annum. Okay, so for first year, okay, this time I won't be writing the steps much. Okay, you have to write principal equal to 2000. Okay, and rate equal to how much? 10% per annum. Okay, calculate the interest and tell me how much you are getting. Everyone calculate the interest.
Sir, 200 rupees.
It will
200.
be 200 rupees. So this is the interest for the first year. Okay. Now amount 2,100 rupees. Okay. Calculate for the second year, everyone.
2,200.
Sir, 200. Sir, 2,200. Sir,
200.
2,000.
2,200 it will be. Okay. So interest is 200 rupees. Amount becomes 2,200. Okay. Second year principal will be how much?
2,200.
Okay. Calculate the interest. PRT you put and calculate interest.
220.
220 will be the interest. Rupees 220. You can see as well, 200 was the interest on this one. This 20 rupees was the interest on 200 rupees. Okay. So what will be the amount?
2,200 plus 220. 2,420.
420. What is the interest?
420.
This is the compound. 420. 420. 420 is a nice number as well. Yes. So 220, 2200. Okay. Understood this one? So amount for the first year becomes principal for the second year. If you calculate the compound interest, you can calculate compound interest first as well. 200 plus 220. This will give us the compound interest for 2 years. Okay, third one, do as homework. Okay, try fourth one, everyone. A bank lent 12,025 rupees to Rakesh at the compound interest rate of 4% per annum for 2 years. For 2 years, how much did Rakesh repay as the interest? How much did Rakesh repay as the interest? Okay. To calculate the interest, everyone calculate it. Third one. Fourth one. Third one, do as homework. And fourth, we have to calculate only the compound interest. Okay. Calculate it. Everyone calculate. Anyone who is not getting, do ask. Okay, don't be shy. If you are not getting, do ask. If you are not getting, do ask. Okay. So bank lent how much rupees? So for how many years? For 2 years it is. Okay. So for first year, principal equal to 10,000, 12,025 rupees. Okay. Rate is 4% per annum. Okay. Calculate the interest and tell me how much it is. 2025. How much you have got the interest, everyone? Calculate it. How much are you getting? Interest for the first into 4 divided by 100. C is 1. Okay. How much? 481. 281 or 481?
481.
481. So interest for the first year is rupees 481. Okay. Now for second year, principal will become how much? Amount you calculate. Okay. 12025. That is amount for the first year. Okay. Plus 481. Calculate it. 125.
Sir, 12506.
12506. It will be 12506 rupees. Okay. Rate is again the same for the second year as well. Time is 1 year. Calculate the interest. 12506 into 4 upon 100. Time is 1. Calculate it. It will come in points. Okay, don't divide 100. 100 you can put decimal. Okay, in money we can divide by 100. Okay, 100 we can put in decimal. Just multiply them. How much you are getting? 500.
Sir, 50,000.
50,024.
50,024.
24. Divide by 100.
500.24.
24. Okay, so always remember if 0 is cancelling, it's fine. Or else leave them as such. Okay, don't cancel the 0. Okay, if 0, like here it was 481.00 here by 100. So zeros we have cancelled. Here, don't cancel by 2. Okay, it is money thing. So we can keep it in points. Okay, now what was to be calculated? How much did Rakesh repay as the interest? Only interest we have to calculate. So no need of calculating the amount. Either you calculate the amount, then from that amount subtract this one, you get the compound interest. Or else you add these two. That will be the interest. So compound interest will be how much? I1.
981.24.
Yes, 481 plus 500.24. It is rupees 981.24.
0.24.
So at last you will write Rakesh repaid rupees 981.24 as interest, or Rakesh paid as interest equal to rupees 981.24. Is this clear? This is clear? Okay. Fifth one you try. Fifth one we won't be able to complete as well. Okay, we are having one more period. Okay, try fifth one. Calculate the amount and the compound interest when rupees 16,000 is invested for 3 years. This time 3 years at the rate of 5% per annum compounded annually. That is, each year it is compounded. Okay, it can be compounded half yearly also. It can be compounded quarterly as well. It can be compounded monthly as well. Okay, so here it is written compounded annually. That means you have to take first year, second year, third year. Okay, this question is clear. Calculate the amount in compound interest when 16,000 is invested for 3 years at the rate of 5% compounded annually. We are compounding it annually, yearly wise. Okay, so try
Yes,
fifth
sir.
one. So first year, how much you are getting? Interest?
900.
Check it once again. 900 or something, some other 100. For the first year,
800.
800. For the first year, you get the
Sir, 800.
get 800. Okay. So it okay. So we'll complete this question in next period. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we are having one more period. We'll complete this question in next period. Okay. You all have understood?
Yes, sir.